Good morning, guys. Welcome to the Random Video channel. Today we're looking at some noisy guides. What we're going to do is a little trick with some grease, some oil. We're going to mix it up and apply it. First, cut the bowl. Grease. Then add some oil. A slide oil. And then we're going to mix it. More oil, and then just put it in place. Okay, there we have it. We're going to apply it to the guides with a brush. So, see you in a second. Right, on the way to our lift. We're at the lift now, so I'll go up, make it safe, and then we'll start doing the guides. Right, okay, let's get this done. So we have to be careful here with the oil. Putting slide oil on here when you've got belts could cause you a problem like rope slip. So we're going to use a brush. And we're going to brush the solution on. Let's go. Right, we're on top of the car. We've got the solution ready. Get the stop switch out. And let's take it up to its highest point first. Right, let's make a start. So, let's see if this is a bit runnier than I was wanting. But just gonna let that come down. What we'll do, we do both sides and then we'll drive it down. We've also got to do the counterweight. It's a little bit runnier than I wanted. Does probably need a little bit more grease. It's a little bit time consuming, but if you've got a noisy guides, because this lift is right on the outside, right next door to a building site where there's dust coming in. Obviously I have to clean this every time I come here. So, alright, I'm going to crack on a bit and I'll speak to you in a second. Guys, you want to make sure that you cover right up to where you see the grease line, which is where the point where the car stops at the top of the shaft. Okay, so cool, let's continue. Okay, made a little bit of a mess. Used a good half of it. We're at the bottom now. And hopefully this stops the noise. Thanks for watching. Leave a little cheeky like and even subscribe. Plenty of different random videos for you to look at. Cars, lifts, escalators, funny stuff, videos from around the world. Thanks very much for viewing. Have a great day.